differentiation of parametric functions. Parametric functions. Now, what do you understand by parametric function? See, x will be a function of some variable t, y will be a function of some variable t. You will find dx dt, then you will find dy dt, and then dy by dx would be equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now after this, if you want to find the second derivative d2y upon dx2, then you have to write dd of x of this whole stuff, dy by dt upon dx by dt. Then this will now change to, see, this will now change, I'm writing it here. This will now change to, let me write it here, d2y dx2. This will be dd of x, dd of t. You will write dy by dt, dx by dt, and then you will have to write, let me make this little small. Then you have to write dt by dx. This will be like this. The second derivative will be of this form. Therefore, first you take x is a function of t, y is a function of t. dx dt you can find, dy dt you can find. Then dy by dx, divide this equation by this equation. This has been done. So now you want to find the second derivative. So write dd of x. I mean to say, yes, let me write it here. Wait a minute. That would be a better option. Wait. I want to find this. So what I'll do is this. I'll write here dd of x of see, dy by dx. This will be equal to dd of x let me now remove this line and draw the line like this. Yes, this will be dy by dt. This is here, from this point. I'm coming to this point. ddt of dx by dt. Now from here it will be d2y upon dx2. This will be ddt. This will change. If you cut them, अगर इन दोनों को तुम काटोगे तो वापस ये आ जाएगा. So this is the way it is. Just a minute. This is the final form. Let us do problems on this. Now. The first problem is question. My first question is x is given as at square, y is given as 2at. These are actually for a parabola. This is the parametric equation of a parabola basically. dy by dx. I want to find dy by dx. I want to find d2y upon dx2. Both I want to find. निकालना है, ये दोनों निकालना है. First, dx dt. dx dt is how much? 2at. Straight differentiate. Now you know how to differentiate. This is the variable. d dt will be 1, so it will be 2a. So dy by dx will be dy by dt upon dx by dt. So this will be 2a upon 2at. Cancel 2a, you will get 1 upon t. So dy by dx is 1 upon t. Now the next is d2y dx2 is nothing but dd of x of 1 upon t. Basically dd of x of this dy by dx. Now dy by dx is how much? 1 upon t. So dd of x of 1 upon t is equal to dd of dt 1 upon t dt by dx. You know dx dt how much? dx dt is this. Let's see how to do this question. देखते कैसे करते हैं इसको. देखो. Let us do it. Now this is your t. So d2y dx2 is equal to ddt of t क्या होगा? Minus 1 upon t square. Use numerator denominator rule. Listen. Look here how it is. ddt of 1 upon t. numerator, denominator as it is differential of the numerator, differential of 1 minus 1 d dt of t upon t square. So this is 0, this portion is completely 0. So minus, and this is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Here this is 1 and this will give me 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 and this t square. Remember from now onwards, d dt of 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square. Keep this thing in your mind. Now dt dx. What is dt dx? See, what is dt dx? What is dx dt? Dx dt is 2at. Dx dt is 2at. Wait. Dx dt is dx dt is 2at. 2at. Take the reciprocal. इसका reciprocal, इसका उल्टा क्या होगा? Take the reciprocal. d dt dx will be 1 upon 2at. 1 upon 2at. So into 1 upon 2at, and this will be du2y dx2 would be minus 1 upon 2at cube. I hope you have understood this now. Let's do another question like this. Let's do another question. Question: x is a theta minus sine theta. y is a 1 minus cos theta. They are asking me dy dx. They are asking me d2y dx2. They are asking me both. First dx. First write x as like this. Wait. First write x as. Wait a minute. Yes, here it is. And let me pull it a little bit here. Just a minute. I want dy by dx. I want dy by dx. I want dy by dx. I want d2y and dx2. So here x is multiply a theta minus a sine theta and write y as a minus a cos theta. Take the differentiation dx d theta. This is d theta with respect to theta is 1 and this is sine theta is cos theta. By now अब तक तो काफी हद तक समझ में आ गया होगा कैसे डिफरेंशिएशन किया जाता है. इसको कर दिया डिफरेंशिएशन, थीटा कैसे 1 आ गया, sin theta आ गया, cos theta आ गया. अब dy d theta, this is constant, it is 0, minus this is, and cos theta is minus sin theta, and this minus will make it plus a sin theta. Now dy by dx is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So a sin theta upon, you take this a common, 1 minus cos theta, right? Cancel this 2 is no problem. Now write sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. And this can be written as 1 minus 2 cos, wait a minute. 2 cos square theta by 2. This and this. There is a bracket like this. Now let's go a little down. Wait. Let's go a little down. Yeah, now here we are. Now this 1 will cancel with this. Minus and minus will make it plus. Now dy by dx is equal to 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 upon 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cancel, cos cancel. You got tan theta by 2. So dy by dx is this. Dy by dx is this. Now they want d2 by dx2. They want d2y dx2. They want d2y dx2. Question. Sorry, d2y dx2. We already have. I need to see this. I need to see this. Yes, this I need to see. This much. So now dd of x of dy by dx is equal to of this now. dd of x of tan theta by 2. I cannot differentiate. मैं इसको differentiate नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि यहाँ पे थीटा है, यहाँ पे x है. इसको भी थीटा पे कन्वर्ट करना होगा और यहाँ तब होगा. तो this will be dd of theta tan theta by 2. Wait a minute. Tan theta by 2. Tan tan theta by 2 into d theta dx. So tan theta is how much? Now this will become dd of x. Now it is d2y dx2. This will be tan theta is sec square theta by 2, and this theta by 2 will give me half. This is this part done. Now d theta dx. What is dx d theta? Let us find. What is dx d theta? Let us see. What is dx d theta? Dx d theta is, here it is. Dx d theta is a into a minus a cos theta. Let us write it down. Just a minute. A minus a cos theta. Wait. That is a minus a cos theta. That is a 1 minus cos theta. You know it already. And use this. Again that formula. Cos theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. Again use it. So dy, d2y, dx2 is equal to half. So sec square theta is nothing but, what is sec square theta? That is nothing but 1 upon cos square theta by 2 below. And this will become, a will come here. You write this formula, 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. And this one will cancel with this, and this minus will become, make this minus plus. So इसमें ये 1 cancel हो जाएगा, minus minus plus हो जाएगा. Now you will get is d2y dx2 is equal to half cos square theta by 2. A will come here. This will be into 2 sine square theta by 2. Now this 2 will cancel with this 2. Sine square upon cos square is tan square. A tan square theta by 2 is your answer.